Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share my Planning World subscription box with you guys. This is a 3-month or seasonal subscription box and it's jam-packed with goodies. So let me open this up and get all of the goodies out so you can enjoy with me this experience. It comes always in this pretty little box and this is always a treat. I love this paper that she uses. So, stationery, of course. So let me get this all out and I'll be back with you shortly. Alright, so the first item, I have this stapler and it's pink with gold. I wasn't expecting something like this. It's not your usual stationery subscription. They obviously cater for different sort of stationery, including, stapler, for example. And I'm terrible in opening packages, but here we go. So this is by a brand, I think it's by Stapler, I don't know. But it has this geometric shape and it's really pretty. And it's gold foil inside. And it looks really cute. So that is a win. The next item, it's the journaling card. You always get a journaling card with what you get in your box, and this time is spring's around the corner, which means it's almost time for spring cleaning. For this season's box, I've chosen stationery items that are pretty yet functional for your desk. I hope they can help you organize and keep on track in the new decade, which is awesome. So you have the memo notepad with a pen, pink stapler, full letter pencil case, sticky notes gift set, binder clip set, and a weekly planner stickers, and that is an optional. So I got the pencil case, which is again in pink with gold hardware. It's by Never, and it says follow your heart, but follow your heart, but take your brain with you. Yeah, I love it. So when you open it up, you have this nice little pattern background as a lining. Then I'm gonna show the sticky note set, and I am a sticky note lover, so this is right up my alley. Oh my god, okay. So this is actually a little case, like a acrylic case. Oh wow, that is awesome. I'm impressed. I'm terrible at this, but I'm gonna get it. I should have done this before I started filming, shouldn't I? But oh boy, I never learn. Okay. Alright. Done. Look at that. So you have all of these sticky notes, but you have a little tray as well. That is so nice. So you have this remember set. Wow, that is so nice. You have all of these to do question mark and a little heart. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. Okay. Then you have this long one with the jam. That's cool. And finally you have the today with lines, so you can write down everything. This is really, really cool, especially the little tray. This makes it look so nice. I mean, that is pretty awesome. So that's the little tray. Then you have, oh boy, what's this? Comes really packed up. Oh, that is cool. Love this thing in the box. And you have this little case with a bunch of bulldog clips in pink with bows, lilacs, and polka dot peach. That is super cute. I don't know how to open this. As usual, how do you open this? Oh, right. Okay, so you need to take this off first. Great job, Sam. Great job. Right, hang in there. Okay, that's good enough. So, okay, so what I think you do is, oh, right, it's a little box. Okay, so you open it up and you have this cute little peach colored bulldog clip with gold foil. You have the simple purple hot fuchsia pink, whatever the name is, and then you have the purple with the bow, and it comes in this little cute box which can just stand in your desk, and it's acrylic and it's absolutely adorable. I love it. Right, so next we have the, oh wow, okay, notepad and pen. And it's faux leather on the top, and you have a bunch of lined papers, but the most exciting thing is that it is perforated here. You can see the line, so you can just rip this one off like that. And it comes with this pretty pen. Let's see how, it's a ballpoint pen, so it's okay, it's not bad. Ballpoint, but you can always stick it on here, and this would look really nice in a office. Might take this to work. Yes, really sturdy on the back. I really like this one, really good. So that's a nice little set. And then you have the add-on, which is the kit, and it's stunning in silver. So you have your 9 full boxes here. That box is just gorgeous. It's beautiful. You have your 8 checklist boxes. You have your headers with silver sprinkles and your labels or half boxes or quarter boxes. You have your habit trackers, your weekly trackers, half boxes, quarter boxes, and then you have your dates of the week, another washi strips here, and the bottom washi, which is absolutely stunning. Next you have another full box here, some flags, the little bows that I love, the circles with the bows, icons, flags, larger flags, and deco. And that is the kit. So I am again stunned by this set from the planning world. This is my second subscription, and I have to say that this is my second month or seasonal box that I received, and it's worth the wait. I mean, it's every 3-4 months, so it's a very welcome happy mail. And that is it, folks. This is the beautiful collection from this box, and I'm really happy with all of the items, and I hope you have a wonderful day, night, whenever it is that you're watching this, and I'll see you on my next video, which will probably be a plan with me. Please be safe, stay sane, wash your hands, and I'll see you on the next one. Love you, Lottles. Bye.